Huawei has launched the Nova 14 series, and the series consists of the Nova 14, the Nova 14 Pro, and the Nova 14 Ultra. In this video, we will explore the top features of the Nova 14 Pro. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the Nova 14 Pro presents a compelling package at an approximate price of about 430 euros. Now, price may vary based on the global market. Physically, it's a slim device at 7.8mm thickness and weighs 207 grams. It offers dual nano SIM support and boasts IP65 dust tight and low pressure water resistant protection. The display is a standout feature, a 6.78-inch LTPO OLED panel with 1 billion colors, HDR support, 120Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 1200 nits. Screen protection varies as well, with aluminum silicate glass for the 256GB models and the Kunlun glass specifically for the 512GB edition. Running on HarmonyOS 5, the phone offers generous internal storage options, including a 256GB with 12GB RAM and 512GB with the same 12GB RAM, though there's no memory card slot for expansion. Photography is a strong suit with a versatile triple main camera setup consisting of a 50MP main sensor with f1.4 aperture with support for PDAF and OIS, a 12MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and an 8MP ultra wide angle lens. Video recording capabilities scales up to 4K, supported by gyro EIS and HDR Vivid. The dual selfie camera is equally impressive, featuring an 8MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom and a 50MP ultra wide angle lens with f2.0 aperture and face detection autofocus support, both capable of 4K and 1080p videos with gyro EIS and HDR Vivid. Audio is handled by stereo speakers, but there is no 3.5mm headphone jack. Connectivity is robust with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS and essential navigation systems, and an infrared port. It uses a USB Type-C 2.0 port with OTG support. Now, sensors includes an under-display optical fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, compass, and virtual proximity sensing. Powering the device is a substantial 5500 mAh battery, supported by an incredibly fast 100 watts wired charging and 5 watts reverse wired charging. The Nova 14 Pro is available in black, white, purple and blue color options. So these are the top features of the Nova 14 Pro. Now you may be wondering, what about the processor? Well, Huawei hasn't officially disclosed the processor of this device yet, but immediately they do that, I'll definitely make an update to this video. I'll definitely update you guys. Anyways, what do you think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.